Meow, meow. Nhavi's activity hat.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nhavi's Activity Head. I wish you all a happy Science Day. Today, let's see an interesting science experiment.
Take a couple of purple cabbage leaves and blend it together with water. Filter the mixture to get the juice. Now our homemade pH indicator is ready. Now I am pouring the cabbage juice into the lemon juice. Next into the vinegar. Now I am pouring into the water. Next I am mixing it to the baking soda solution. Now into the washing soda. Next one is washing liquid. Next I am pouring into the sugar solution. Now into the salt solution. Next I am mixing it with milk. Now into the toothpaste, colin and body lotion.
Purple cabbage juice is considered to be a pH indicator because it contains a water-soluble pigment called anthocyanin. It changes color when it is mixed with acid or base. The pigment turns red in acid environment and bluish green in base environment.